Welcome to our video on Mastering Lane Discipline and Defensive Driving in Sri Lanka. In this extended guide, we'll delve deep into the essential skills of lane discipline and defensive driving to help you become a safe and responsible driver on Sri Lankan roads. Part 1, Lane Discipline. Let's start with the crucial aspect of lane discipline. Rule number 1, keep left unless overtaking. In Sri Lanka, the left lane is the default lane for driving. Stay in the left lane unless you're overtaking another vehicle. Rule number 2, overtake from the right lane. When overtaking slower-moving vehicles, use the right lane or the lane to the right of the vehicle you're passing. Rule number 3, use middle lanes for normal driving. On multi-lane roads, use the middle lanes for normal driving. Reserve the rightmost lane for overtaking slower vehicles. Rule number 4, maintain a safe following distance. Regardless of the lane you're in, always maintain a safe following distance behind the vehicle in front of you. Rule number 5, signal before changing lanes. Use your turn signals to indicate your intention to change lanes. Check your blind spots before moving over. Rule number 6, respect lane markings. Pay close attention to lane markings and road signs, especially at junctions and ramps. Part 2, defensive driving. Now, let's explore the principles of defensive driving. Technique number 1, stay alert. Always be aware of your surroundings. Continuously scan the road ahead and check your mirrors. Technique number 2, maintain a safe following distance. Keeping a safe gap between your vehicle and the one in front gives you time to react to sudden stops. Technique number 3, avoid tailgating. Never follow too closely behind the vehicle ahead. Tailgating reduces your reaction time and can lead to accidents. Technique number 4, use indicators and signals. Always use your turn signals to indicate your intentions to other drivers. This helps in smooth traffic flow. Technique number 5, respect speed limits. Adhere to posted speed limits, especially in residential areas and near schools. Technique number 6, be cautious at intersections. Approach intersections with caution, even if you have the right of way. Look out for drivers running red lights. Technique number 7, avoid distractions. Keep your focus on the road. Avoid texting, making phone calls, or other distractions while driving. Technique number 8, defensive lane changes. Check your blind spots before changing lanes, and signal your intentions well in advance. Technique number 9, be patient. Stay patient and calm, especially in heavy traffic or when dealing with aggressive drivers. Technique number 10, expect the unexpected. Always anticipate that other drivers may make mistakes. Be prepared to react quickly. Now, let's see these techniques in action. As you drive, stay in the left lane if you're not overtaking. When you need to pass another vehicle, move to the right lane and overtake safely. Always maintain a safe following distance, regardless of the lane you're in. When changing lanes, signal your intentions and check your blind spots before making the move. Perform a quick check of your blind spot by turning your head before changing lanes. Respect lane markings and road signs, especially at junctions and ramps. As a defensive driver, stay alert, maintain safe distances, and be prepared for the unexpected. Always approach intersections with caution, even if you have the right of way. Patience is key, especially in heavy traffic or when dealing with aggressive drivers. That concludes our comprehensive guide on mastering lane discipline and defensive driving in Sri Lanka. These skills will not only keep you safe but also contribute to safer roads for everyone. Thank you for watching, and remember, responsible and defensive driving is the key to a safer Sri Lanka.